Don't let questionnaires replace pharmacovigilance audits. A critical reminder for PV audit programs. One frequent mistake in pharmacovigilance audit programs is the reliance on questionnaires and surveys in place of actual audits. According to GVP Module IV, page 5, benchmarking, reviews of qualifications, risk assessment questionnaires, surveys or other activities in which evidence of fulfillment of pharmacovigilance requirements is not independently obtained and evaluated, would not be regarded as an audit. While questionnaires can be valuable tools for certain aspects of qualification and routine oversight of vendors and partners, and can aid in conducting risk assessments to prioritize audits, they should not replace the comprehensive assessment that actual audits provide. An audit requires an objective review of data, records, deliverables, and other evidence to verify compliance with pharmacovigilance requirements. Without this rigorous assessment, simplistic evaluations are insufficient to fulfill a marketing authorization holder's obligations to perform risk-based audits as prescribed in GVP Module IV. Ensure your pharmacovigilance audit programs are robust and compliant. Don't settle for shortcuts. Is it time to review your audit strategies?